Ayesha cuisines, Ayesha cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cat for. Come on, Ayesha cuisines, cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cat for. Ayesha cuisines, Shatters unique cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Aisha's unique cuisines. Aisha's unique cuisines. Shitty's unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cared for. Come on. Shitty's unique cuisines. Shitty's unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cared for. Aisha's unique cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's unique cuisines. It shall be just uniqueness. It shall be just greatness. It shall be just uniqueness. This is a cooking channel whereby we cook and teach recipes around the world. So if this sounds like the content you're interested in, why not subscribe, like, comment, turn on your bell icon for notification. That way, anytime I upload a video such as this one, you'll be the first to get notified. And by sharing this video, you get opportunity to allow others to equally benefit. And you also have the privilege of having